Hello and welcome to this new Cinema 4D tutorial. My name is Novelo, and in this video tutorial I want to show you how I have done this effect. This effect is not a particle effect, it's just a mograph effect with some effectors. It's the PolyFX effector and a random effector. And the cool thing about it is you can change your text any time. It's not a problem. So let's start. We create a new file and let's put in mograph text. We change the text to tutorial, okay, and then the depth we set to 75 and the subdivision to 12. And under the intermediate points we choose subdivided, and 5 centimeters is okay. Let's drag the text a little bit to here and just a few. Okay, and now we work on the caps. We choose fillet caps, steps. Let's take 4 of this, and for this 2. And then under type, choose quadrangles and regular grid. And the width is 5 centimeters. And now we have enough geometry to work with our PolyFX effector. Now choose PolyFX, drop it under the mode text, and then we go to transformation, set this to 0, and on fall off we choose linear, and the direction, as you can see, the PolyFX is working. And orientation we need to set it to -x, and now you can see the text is scattered, and if you move this you can see the text is building up, but it's a regular grid, so we need a little bit of randomness in there. First check the settings. It's all okay. Maybe we can do here a spline preset, cubic, and then we are done here. Then with the PolyFX selected we choose an effector, the random effector, and in the random effector we can we can change this to 300, this to 300, and this one to 300. And let's use effector index, and now you can see it's really cool what's going on here. We can do a quick render. It's not looking so good because we have no floor, we have no background, we have no materials. So we add real quick a floor. To do this I'm going to the content browser here, and I choose one of the plugins from Grayscale Gorilla. I provide the link down the video. There is the HDR Studio Rig and the seamless floor. And in the seamless floor I choose here a gray color and here a black color. So, and now I want a material on my text, so I go to my another tutorial, my another plugin from Grayscale Gorilla, choose plastic, shiny plastic, and I drop it onto my text. Now we can move the camera a little bit. I create a camera, and we can move the camera a little bit, activate the camera, and I think that's cool, like this. If we move now our PolyFX, we have to zoom out a little bit more and position it like this, and let's move it. Okay, can position the camera a little bit more to here, and now we have the whole world in the view of our camera. Now we can choose a position which looks cool. I think this one, and let's do a quick render again. It looks awful because we have to set in our render settings. I have to choose ambient occlusion and a little bit of global illumination, and let's render it again. And this will take a while. I pause the recording while it's rendering, and I'll be back. So, we are back now, and the render is finished, and as you can see, it's a real cool looking effect. We can change the text anytime. Let's change it. We can see it's really working. If we put in there, let's say my name, Michael, and now you can see the PolyFX is working immediately. So we can animate this. We can go to the first position where there are no particles, and then we go to our PolyFX coordinates, and we hit Control and the left mouse key on this circle. Then we can go to the last frame in our animation, and we move the PolyFX to here, and we hit Control and the left mouse key again here, and then we have animated this. As you can see, the PolyFX is moving. Okay, that's too much for my graphic card, I think. And now you see the text is animated, and I think that's a real cool, real fast effect, a real cool effect. And for using it on an intro or something else, it's a really cool thing. Sure, you can do other settings in the PolyFX to get another effect, but this is only to show the technique here. Don't go further in, so the rest is on your fantasy, on your creativity. And once again, I use for my work, I use the plugins from Grayscale Gorilla. I don't want to make here a commercial for Grayscale Gorilla, but the plugins are really cool. You can do your work real quick, and for the work, time is money, and you can save a lot of time here if you use the plugins. There are a lot of plugins on the Grayscale Gorilla side, materials, city generator, studio rigs, and other useful things. So I think that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you like this tutorial, please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.